Hello friends, I am Professor M.B. Shinde from Singhal College of Engineering, Pandharpur. Friends, we are dealing with the chapter building services. In that, we are dealing with the point building drainage sanitary services. We'll see the next part. The sanitary drainage system has a system of plumbing has four types: two pipe system, one pipe system, single stack system, single stem or partially ventilated system. What is two pipe system? It is independent stack for soil and wastewater with span. See, these four system of plumbing for building drainage means in one pipe system of plumbing in multi-story building, the lavatory blocks or different floors are so placed one above the other that the wastewater discharging from the different units can be carried through common vertical stacks connected through short branch drains. Thus, only one main pipe collects both soil water as well as wastewater from the different appliances. This main pipe is directly connected to the drainage pipe. All trap of water closet basins etc. are completely ventilated, whereas gully traps and waste pipes are completely dispensed with. Single stack system of plumbing is similar to that of one pipe system, means same, but there is no ventilation of traps is provided. Single stack partially ventilated system of plumbing is a compromise between the one pipe system and single stack system. In this case, there is only one soil pipe for collecting the discharge from all water closet, bath, sinks, basins. A relief vent pipe for ventilating only the traps of water closet is provided. We'll see the picture. See, here is the picture of two pipe system. We'll come back to this one. This is one pipe system. See, in one pipe system, uh, one pipe is provided as a full gas, means gases are removed through this vent pipe, and one pipe collects the excreta, the wastewater from the sinks, bathrooms, etc. So this system is called as one pipe system. This is the single stack system. See, in single stack system, again a common pipe is provided, but there is no provision of vent pipe here. So vent pipe is not provided. On same stack pipe or same pipe, the on upper side vents are provided. Means separate vent pipe is not provided here. So same stack on upper side has vents. So this also collects the waste from all the sanitary appliances. Then this is two pipe system. Here in two pipe system you will find two different pipes stacks which collect different discharges, and for those two stacks different vent pipes are provided. See, the one pipe takes the discharge from bathroom, kitchens, wash basins, etc. And for this stack, one vent pipe is taken so to remove the fuel gases. Second stack takes the discharge from only from WC water closet, means soil water is taken from the one stack, and fuel gases from this pipe is taken by the carried out by the separate ventilating pipe to remove the fuel gases. So this is called as two pipe system. Now choice of plumbing system, how it is choose. See, two pipe system is old one and safe system. It is safe one. It has more advantage where wastewater is recycled for use in gardening, etc. Means, see, in two pipe system we have taken a separate discharge from the kitchen and bathrooms. That water can be recycled and reused for the gardening purposes. But in one pipe system where soil water is mixed, means waste water from WC is mixed in the bathroom water or wash basin water or kitchen water, so it is little bit difficult for the recycling. Reasoning behind the segregation of the soil and waste stacks has been to put second line of defense in the form of trapped gully against the passage of sewer air into the building via waste fixtures. This was considered a serious defect since the flow air from the waste pipe into a building may be as objectionable as flow air from soil pipe. It was considered that there is no second line of defense and separate pipe for the wastewater is not required. One pipe system is to be preferred where building provides full suitable grouping of all soil and waste appliances and where all types of waters are taken to a common sewer to the place of disposal or treatment. Trap seal is of 40 and 50 for waste and soil water respectively considered sufficient safeguard. So water seal of 40 to 50 is used. So in addition to the following safeguards are to be taken. Each waste pipe connected above soil branch to common stacks or trap shall be ventilated by loop vents by a pipe not less than 50 dia. In modern trends is to go in for partially ventilated one pipe or single stack system. This is modern trend. In a high-rise building, a partially ventilated one pipe or single stack system is being used, where one stack is connected to the drainage stack, same line, or the soil appliances at each or alternate floors. Following safeguard to be taken in such a case. Vertical distance between waste branch and soil branch shall not be less than 20 centimeter. Is it? If wash basin sinks directly connected to the main stack, they shall be have 75 minimum water seal trap for branch connection of less than 75 diameter or 50 for branch connection more than the 75 diameter. So this is also typical section for a wall mounted WC connection and plumbing shafts. See, in US one pipe system is preferred, UK one pipe is preferred, Europe one pipe is preferred, India we are preferred mostly two pipe system. Now we'll see the next one. Now here picture shows the recommended depth of trap seals. Water closet 50 should be there, floor traps 50 should be there. A fixtures connected directly to the stack with branch waste pipe 75 diameter and more 40 is provided, and the fixtures connected directly with branch waste pipe less than the 75 one pipe two pipe system both single stack modified system same 75 then it is prepared as 40 mm. See, there are advantage and disadvantage of two pipe system. What are the advantage? First advantage, ensure segregation of whole sewage from wastewater. No danger of backflow of sewage in waste fittings in case of blockage of soil pipe. It enables use of wastewater directly for irrigation gardening, and separate wastewater stack permits arrest of solids from kitchen in the gully trap, thus preventing the from entering a sewer. Gully traps needs to be cleaned periodically. Disadvantages are there, difficult to install in high-rise building where stacks terminate in service floor or in the ceilings of the basement. Long horizontal runs to reach external walls external sewers. Provision of gully trap difficult to implement in above situation. This requires more sharp duct space. One more disadvantage is congested shaft result in difficulty to maintain the system, and this used in India as a matter of convention that conservative approach rather than as pragmatic approach. Whereas we have the advantage and disadvantage of one pipe system also. So we'll see the advantage first. Largely replaced two pipe system in most developed countries, fast becoming preferred system in other parts of the world. High quality pipe fittings and insulation techniques available these days. Constant flow of water ensures reduction in blockage problem. Eliminated gully traps thus precludes the needs to clean them. Requires lesser shaft duct space. Highly economical in terms of cost. Quick to construct and commission. Whereas we have the disadvantage, danger of backflow of sewage in waste fitting. This is important disadvantage compared to the two pipe system. The factors favoring one pipe system is, there are also few factors which favors the one pipe system is uses low, minimal few connected at each floor, and low occupancy results in difficult to ensure safe cleaning velocity. Constant flow ensures reduced blockages by achieving optimal flow conditions, especially in horizontal stretches. Shaft space is at a premium. Redundancy possible since number of toilets available in each apartment. Better quality of material and techniques available now. Low and easy maintenance is there. No statutory embargo. In fact, BIS codes permits one pipe system in high-rise building. All problems that are visualized can be overcome. So there are few recommendations. Use 100 dia single stack system up to 4 stories. Use 150 dia single stack system up to 15 stories. Use 150 dia one pipe system beyond 50 stories. Combine two or more toilets at a floor whereas possible. Use EWC with horn for ventilation. Similarly, use a trap band with horn for ventilation wherever possible. So, friends, this is about the today's session. Thank you. Next part we'll cover in next video.